Hello friends, welcome to Head or Tail Education. Today our topic is binary to hexadecimal conversion or hexadecimal to binary conversion. So first we check what is the hexadecimal system. Hexadecimal system base is 16. Okay, and we represent like bracket inside x and outside the base. So here we are using the 2 bytes means equals to 16 bits. Okay, so in hexadecimal system the main value is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 a b c d e f. Then we generate the other hexadecimal number by using these numbers. The base of hexadecimal number system is 16. Write like bracket n and base 16. Okay, so if we check the 2 bytes, so how many bits? Like in 2 bytes we have the 16 bits, and we write like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Because in hexadecimal system, so after 9 the 10 is convert, means we write 10 is equivalent to a, 11 is equivalent to b, 12 is equivalent to c, and 13 is equivalent to d, and 14 is equivalent to e, and 15 is equivalent to f. Okay, only this difference, okay, in 16 bit. Now in each bit value, means in bit you have seen here we have write the 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. So this is the, these all values we have to write the all binary numbers. Okay, like if we use the 0, so 0 binary number is 0 0 0 0. Okay, then 1 0 0 0 1, 2 0 0 1 0, 3 0 0 1 1, 4 0 1 0 0, 5 0 1 0 1, 6 0 1 1 0, 7 0 1 1 1. Next 8 1 0 0 0, and then a, which is equivalent to 10, so 1 0 1 0, b equivalent to 11, so 1 0 1 1, c is equal to 12, so 1 1 0 0, d is equal to 13, 1 1 0 1, e is equal to 14, so 14 binary is 1 1 1 0, f is equal to 15, so 15 binary is 1 1 1 1. Okay, so you have seen here each the pair in 4 bits value. Okay, so each bit value is 4. So to write hexadecimal number like A07, okay, and bracket outer side 16 base. Okay, if you want to write binary number, so bracket inside the binary value and base 2. Okay, outside. To write the decimal number, so outside means bracket outside we write the 10 and inside the number. Join channel for more tutorials. If you want to learn convert number to binary or binary to number, so you can also watch this tutorial our channel. Binary to hexadecimal conversion. Okay, so example, so we have the binary number 1010 and 0000 and 011. So this number, so first we have to this number separate in 4 bits. Okay, so here we have the, if you 0111, so this is the 4 bit, then 0 is also 4 bit value and 10 is also 4 bits. Okay, 1010. So each 4-bit pair we have created here. Okay, now next match the pair according to binary value. Okay, so first 1010. So 1010 is equal to A. Okay, so this is the first number, first digit of hexadecimal number. Okay, next the 000. So this is the second digit of hexadecimal number, and find the third one, 0111. Okay, so this is the 0111. So this is the third digit of hexadecimal number. Now finally arrange value according to pair order. Okay, so first pair is order is 1010. So this is the A. Okay, second is 000. So this is the 0, and third is 0111. So this is the 7. So binary value 101000000111 is equivalent to A07 hexadecimal value. One more example for this. So here the binary number 010111001000110. Now same like create the pair 4 bits of each number, but always you have to create from right side. Okay, so first we select 0110. So this is first pair, then 0100, this is second pair, 1010, this is third pair, and 0101, this is the fourth pair. Okay, so each is 4 bits pair. Now find the pair value. Okay, so first is here 0101. Okay, so 0101 this time available this. Okay, so this is equivalent to 5. Now 1010. So 1010 is match this. So this is the hexadecimal value A. Now 0100. So 0100 match equals to 4. Okay, and 0110. So 0110 is match equals to 6. Okay, so finally arrange value according to pair order. So first 0101. So 0101 is equal to 5. Then 1010 is equal to A. Next 0100 equals to 4, and 0110 equals to 6. So this is the hexadecimal value of binary number is 5A46. Next hexadecimal value to convert in binary number. So this is also very simple. So first our hexadecimal number is 5A46. Okay, so find the binary value of each digit in hexadecimal. So first digit is 5. Okay, so 5 is match here, so binary value is 0101. Okay, so this is match. Next is A. Okay, so A, you can see here A is equal to 1010. So this is the A. Next digit is 4. So 4 is 0100. So this is the digit. Last one is 6. So number 6 is available here. So binary value is 0101. Okay. Now finally arrange pair according to value. So in hexadecimal the first value is 5. So we use this pair 0101. Okay. Next value is A. So use this pair, bits pair 1010. The third value is 4. So pair using 0100. And last one is 6. The pair using binary 0110. So this is the hexadecimal value convert into binary. So 5A46 equal to 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. Now tell summary. Finally, we learned binary to hexadecimal conversion, then into about binary and hexadecimal. Then we learned by using the quick and short method to convert binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to binary conversion of 2 bytes or 16 bits binary number. Okay, hope tutorial will help to understand the logic of binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to binary conversion of 16 bits of 2 bytes value. Thanks to watch Head or Tail Education.